Let me think. When you're not sure what to say or do next and need a moment to decide, you use this phrase. What should I do now? Use this when you're confused or stuck in a situation and want advice or direction. That's not fair. Say this when you feel something unjust or when someone is being treated unequally. You never listen. This is often said out of frustration when someone keeps ignoring your advice or words. Don't make excuses. Use this when someone is trying to avoid responsibility by giving false or weak reasons. I'm not in the mood. Say this when you don't feel emotionally or mentally ready to do something. I was just saying. This is a soft way to explain that you didn't mean anything serious or offensive. You know what I mean. Use this to check if the person you're talking to understands your point or feeling. That's your problem. This is used when you clearly want to say you are not responsible for someone else's issue. Why are you silent? Ask this when someone isn't responding or is unusually quiet in a conversation. Just leave it. You can say this when you want someone to stop doing something or not interfere. It's not my fault. Say this when you're trying to defend yourself and make it clear that you didn't do anything wrong. I don't believe it. Use this when you're extremely surprised or shocked about something. Let's drop the topic. This phrase is used when you want to stop discussing something, usually to avoid argument. What else can I say? You use this when you've said everything already and feel helpless or disappointed. You always say that. Say this when someone keeps repeating the same promise or excuse but never changes. Stop acting smart. This is used when someone is showing off or trying to be overly clever in a negative way. Why are you so late? Ask this when someone arrives much later than expected, usually in a frustrated tone. I'm sick of this. Say this when you're tired, irritated, or fed up with a situation that keeps repeating. Is that clear? Use this to make sure someone has fully understood your instructions or warning.